Okay, give me 10 quick push-ups. Jumping jacks. Go. You're slow, slow. Go faster. Next, faster. Over your head. Now dash. Reverse. Let me begin to explain weakness in relation to muscular strength.
やってみたいと思います。筋力の荷重っていうんですけど、脱力したらなんで強くなるか、脱力したらパワーがあります。なんでか、ね、例えば各関節にはマグイルギャンスとこの上腕三頭。
The tricep muscle allows the forearm to extend, whereas the bicep muscle allows it to curl and retract. Let's talk about both bending and stretching. Imagine we have a tug of war.
反対のことをするわけですよね。だから綱引きしたのと一緒です。だからもしも試合するときにバッと力が入ってしまう。そしたらもしも曲げる方に5の力が入ってる。
And both sides have a power of 5. Even if one side had a power of 10, and your side had only 5, the power differential is 5. If one side had a power of 10 and your side had 0, then the power differential would be 10. This is power dynamics. Your power must be compared to your opponent's power to determine the actual power dynamic. Speed increases power. Speed multiplies weight. To increase weight, you need weight training. This is especially true if you wish to compete in full contact karate. To increase your power, you must increase either your weight or your speed, preferably both. Remember, weight training will not increase your speed, but weight training is essential to compete at the international level. Strength is the combination of many muscles working together. For example, when throwing a ball, the full extension of both your arm and wrist together will give you top speed. Therefore, don't just punch using your arms. You must use your waist and hips together to achieve full power behind your punches. When kicking, remember this concept. Don't just use your leg. You must also use your hip to achieve more power. Remember, when kicking, you must prepare. Get your balance using one leg to provide support. And in this case, the front leg must be ready to raise the knee and deliver a kick. It's important to not just kick with the leg. You must use your hip to achieve maximum power. If you want to compete at the world-class level, you have to prepare. Your opponents are going to be 2 meters or 6 feet tall. They're going to be larger. And it's not enough for you just to be able to protect yourself with blocks. You're not going to score by just blocking. You've got to be able to go on the offensive too. Let's remember that using combinations of many muscles will give you the added power you will need.